日来れたらこちら干した状できますね。
お、はい。
Lots of the figures it'll be.
Let's learn.
Provided a sort code and a partly redacted account number.
It confirms that the check's been cashed into an account which I don't have and I've never had. I've never had a NatWest account. After this, they state that they want to close my file, which just left us frustrated after so much time has been spent on this.
It doesn't feel like a closed case at all to us.
Grasping the nettle, Paula's husband Andy visited the local branch of NatWest to try to find out who this account belonged to and how to get the cash back, but to no avail.
Raphael doesn't have an account with NatWest, so they couldn't help us because we weren't customers.
A few weeks later, HMRC got in touch again.
We got another letter on the 21st of November 2025 and it states that a cheque is being cashed in the name of S. Turner, who was authorised by myself to receive these funds.
Do you know who Mrs. Turner?
No, I don't, and I did not authorise this as stated. This is crazy how someone's, been able to do this. They signed off the letter that we therefore conclude that we issued the repayment to you correctly and no further action is required on our part.
They were stuck. As far as HMRC was concerned, the cheque had been issued correctly. The question now was over NatWest's handling of it.
I don't know an S. Turner. I never have known an S. Turner.
And no answers.
Why are HMRC still sending cheques by post standard delivery?
How's the cheque even cashed when it was in my name?
How did they intercept that cheque in the first place?
And who is Mrs. S. Turner and how does she have my money?
All very important questions, so let's get some answers.